Picture this. You sell a handful of products, but every time you want to run an ad, you're digging through folders trying to remember which photo goes with which offer. Exhausting. With Vyroq's My Products page, that hunt is over. Head to product ads and every product you've added shows up as a card. Its photo, its name, its category, right there in a clean grid. Here's where it gets useful. Each card's product actions menu lets you open it, rename it, or delete it. 3 clicks, 0 digging through a messy media folder. No products yet? The empty state hands you a direct Add Your First Product button, so you're never staring at a blank page wondering where to start. Need the raw creative behind a product, its images, its generated video clips? Hit Open Library from the header, and every asset tied to your products lives in one searchable place. Click straight into any product card and you land on its detail page, ready to generate more ad variants whenever inspiration strikes. That's your entire product catalog, organized and one click from its next campaign. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.